would like to thank you for inviting us and to share with us all things you are doing, that they are very, very impressive and they're very important, not only for Indonesia, I mean for the world, because this narcotics issues and drugs dealers and so, it's very complicated for everyone. And so I hope that this travel to Latin America, specifically to Argentina, Ecuador, Panama and Cuba, will help us to have a deep cooperation between both countries and go further and have some kind of agreement and working together, no? For the good of our peoples. That would be fantastic. So we are very, very proud that you consider Argentina to work forward with. We hope that the last this trip will make us work together and cooperate with each other.
And make it closer.
Make it closer.